Human brain anatomy. Just think for a second. Whatever you're seeing, hearing, or thinking right now, who is controlling all of this? Yes, your brain. In the next 3 minutes, you're going to understand how your brain works in the simplest way possible. Now look at this part carefully. See this big upper portion of the brain? This is called the cerebrum. This is the largest part of your brain. When you think, when you make decisions, or even when you remember something, this part is working. It also controls your voluntary actions, like moving your hands, walking, or speaking. Now look closer. This area is divided into different sections called lobes. This is the frontal lobe. It helps you think, plan, and make decisions. This is the parietal lobe. It helps you feel touch, temperature, and pain. This is the temporal lobe. It helps you hear sounds and understand language. This is the occipital lobe. It is responsible for vision, everything you see. So basically, different parts of the cerebrum handle different tasks. And here's something interesting. Your cerebrum is divided into two halves. The left side controls the right side of your body, and the right side controls the left side. Now focus on the back side. Can you see this small rounded part here? This is the cerebellum. Even though it's small, it plays a very important role. When you walk, when you run, or even when you stand still. Now look a little closer. The cerebellum has two sides called hemispheres and a middle part called the vermis. These parts work together to make your movement smooth and controlled. Without the cerebellum, your body movements would be shaky and unbalanced. Now look at this lower part, this thin structure connecting the brain to the body. This is the brainstem. This part is absolutely essential for survival. Now look closer. The brainstem also has three main parts, Aroisha. At the top, this is the midbrain. It helps with basic functions like vision and hearing reflexes. Just below that, this is the pons. It helps control breathing and also connects different parts of the brain. And at the bottom, this is the medulla oblongata. This part controls your most important automatic functions, like heartbeat, breathing, and digestion. You don't have to think to breathe, right? That's because your brainstem is doing it automatically. Now let's go even deeper. Your brain is made up of billions of tiny cells called neurons. Think of them like messengers. They carry information through electrical signals across your entire body. This is how your brain communicates with every organ. So now you can see your brain is controlling everything you do, every single second, from thinking to moving to staying alive. And the most amazing part, it never stops working. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel because we'll be breaking down the human body in the simplest way possible. And tell me in the comments, which part of the body should we explore next?